Welcome to this instructional video on how to properly operate and maintain the self-priming water jet pump. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to ensure safe and efficient usage. So let's get started. First, connect the input power cord. Second, make sure the connections are connected firmly and are insulated properly. Third, make sure to follow the design specifications of the machine. Fourth, connect properly and correctly the suction. Discharge pipe to its respective connections. Fifth, do not forget to fill the pump head chamber with the initial required water to prime the pump. Failure to do so will cause the mechanical seal to heat up and melt, causing the motor to be burned. Sixth, plug in and energize the pump. Make sure that there is water pumped in from suction side. Seventh, drain the water inside the pump after usage, if it's going to be stored for a long time. Now that you've learned how to properly operate the self-priming water jet pump, we hope this video helps make your work easier and safer. And also, don't forget to review the manual regularly. Always prioritize safety during operation. And like and follow our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.